the fire is there, the ginger is there. So when you want to try out new things, you're always like,
Yeah,
let's go,
let's
let's do
go
it.
there. And all you'll
So
be seeing is positive, positive,
I
positive,
swear to
positive.
God,
Millions. See my
I
millions now.
swear,
If I
you'll be
enter,
calculating, you'll be calculating. Sometimes my sister will be like, ekwesịrị inye gị award as the calculator. The way I don't think there was a time that every morning I will press calculator. Hi guys, welcome to Able Media. Here with me is Adese.
Cynthia
Yes, my
Adeze.
friend. Today we'll be talking about marriage. We'll be talking about limitations it can you can have in
How
marriage.
marriage tends to limit one's career.
Yes, exactly. So limitations you expect. Okay, we'll be talking about that on personal basis.
Yeah.
So you share your experience, I share mine,
Okay.
and then we might just chip in general opinion, what we think, or
Yeah.
maybe from the encounter or things we have heard from people.
People.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay. As she said, my name is Cynthia Adeze. I'm a beautiful mother of three.
exactly, she has 3 children, and she's
Mm.
still looking dope. Not like us that talk
No, no,
to
no, no, no,
mommy
no, no, no,
Yabo.
no. No mind her,
I'm just
Jerry.
kidding. I know I'm still beautiful. I'm going to lose weight this year, and
Ah,
let me not brag too much. Let's
that's
continue.
that's the agenda for the year. Ask her how far.
Don't worry, I'll stop you.
Ah. So yeah.
Okay, let me just put it this way. Do you think, as a married woman that you are, that
Mm.
it has limited you in any way? In any way? Like, well, when I say in any way, I mean career wise.
Yeah. Yeah. Because yeah, when I had my first baby, I was in school. So I got married while I was in school.
Okay.
I had my first baby too in school. So my second baby, I was pregnant with her while I was writing my final exams. So rounding up with school, I came back to Lagos like full time. Before I was in school, on and off, on and off, on and off.
Okay.
So when I came back to Lagos, I was processing my NYSC.
Yeah.
So finally, when I went for NYSC, I said I'm gonna use that opportunity to get used to going out in the morning, like going to work or business whatsoever
Yeah.
in the morning and coming back, and also use the opportunity to be knowing how to take care of my kids, like drop this one in school, come back, do this.
Yeah.
Yeah. While I was working, I was enjoying all the whole workplace
Yeah. The
and the
experience.
experience. I even get to meet like
Make
make
friends.
friends at work. You get, yeah. So at some point, boom.
Boom, again.
I got pregnant.
Oh wow. Baby number 3, but wonderful.
I said boom because it wasn't planned. You know how all these
Yeah.
things happen.
Your
It
first
just,
baby, okay, your second baby was how many months?
she was around a year and let me say a year and 2 months, 3 months, about.
Not so bad now.
I know it's not bad, but
It
it
was
wasn't
unplanned,
planned.
yeah.
Yeah, because then in my mind, I had something else playing out that I'm gonna use this going out in the morning for my work. That was NYSC as a strategy, so that even when I'm done with my NYSC,
Yeah.
I'll still go ahead and continue that way. You get, yeah. But it happened. We are just having fun. We're just having fun, and then, but
And it
then.
entered, Abby.
Mm-hmm. So we were grateful regardless. Yeah, we were so grateful. But then I still continue, like I was still persistent. I still continue with my work. Yeah. You know how first semester used to be at some points. I started sporting.
Yeah. I remember.
Yeah. I started sporting, went to hospital, went for scan, and they said that I had threatening miscarriage. And I had to be placed on bed rest. Career woman in the mud. I observed bed rest for like let me say a month, and because I stayed there till my first semester.
Over,
Yeah, yeah. So Even though I went back to work, they said I
Okay.
should be careful, the things I do, this, that,
Mm,
yeah. So finally, I rounded off with my NYSC with my big baby bump. So that was it. And you know how this thing, when I gave birth, started nurturing
yeah,
my
from
baby.
pregnancy to nursing
Um,
and a whole lot of experience
so
behind
that
it.
was it.
You are still in
And
the business of nursing.
nothing.
Oh,
My
okay.
baby is now, my baby just clocked 1
Oh, yeah.
January. Yeah.
Okay. So in that way, it has limited you
Me,
to becoming
because
a career woman that you have always wanted.
wanted
But you
to.
still have plans
I
of
know, of course, yeah. Because for now, as far as I'm concerned, mm,
giving me
we are you know what I'm saying.
Oh, you are done
You know,
having baby.
for now, you know me, it's not like I and my husband. It's not, let's say I am my husband. I personally, I
Mm,
love children.
okay.
Yeah. You know, the economy is
It's
very
not so
fine. No,
beautiful.
economy is so beautiful.
Oh,
Yes, even
that's
with the
nice.
economy, I love children, but I love children in the sense 3, 4. You get not be
Okay.
like I love children like 8 children.
Yeah,
Nah,
okay.
one can me. So yeah, I personally I love children, and
Okay.
this you see this Atwanya and Atuche. Our people used to say Atwanya Atuche. I want to have Atwanya
So
and
you
Atuche.
want two more?
No, not two. Oh.
You
No,
said
Atwanya and Atuche. Is it not the same thing?
Atwa and that teacher is
No, it's not and okay, Atwanya.
Atwanya is supposed to be a boy. Why Atucha is supposed to be a girl?
No,
So two more
no,
to go.
no, not two more.
Okay, you want one more, but not
But
right
not
now.
now, because
Okay.
now I am facing, like I am facing this career. I'm facing this. I'm out to make money.
Yes,
You get?
so
I'm
the
out.
fire is burning.
Yeah, we don't have 3 down. So yeah, let's just take. And you know, I love it when your children, maybe this, I don't know, it's not even
Like when
burden,
they
like
are
when they are grown and out,
grown,
you
you
still
still have
have
one at
someone
home.
around to be doing small things, and all
Yeah, I
to have just
understand.
keep the house busy. Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, it limited me then, because that was my plan. But you see,
You
like I said,
weren't
is
able to push forward because
mm,
of family and marriage.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. For me, marriage limited me. Let me say, career wise, limited me because when I was still single, I I was a
Career
go.
woman.
No, I'm right now. I'm still
I
a go
know,
getter,
but
but
then
that fire, the ginger
was
was
still
on a hundred
booming.
percent.
100.
Yeah, nothing was limiting me.
Yeah.
If I had wanted to make 20,000, 50,000, 100,000 naira
Determined.
today, I will
Yeah.
look for ways, I'll look for strategies, I will push.
Cool.
I
Yeah.
started my business online.
Mm.
So I was doing the whole thing. Initially, when I got married, it was still fire to fire. My
Okay.
husband was helping me.
Yeah.
Then children started kicking in, children started coming.
Mhm.
When I had my first baby, the ginger was still there. I could
You
remember I
have
had,
people
yeah, a
around, I
lot of
think.
help.
Yeah.
My mom came, my sisters were around, so I had a lot of help. In the morning, I
Yeah.
would just go. My mom would be
Mm.
like, "Hey, these
Next
girls." I
weekend.
swear, nwatakịrị mụrụ nwa ọfụrụ ị ga-anọ n'ụlọ ka ahụ gị kulọta, and you will
Mm.
just go.
Mm.
So I will just go and hustle. Sometimes they will be like, iyi na-agbade ego nwa na ya afụ họ ka edi ọ bụghọ gị na-akpa nri ka ebe ị na-aga, but there's this kind of fulfillment that you
Exactly.
get when you are making your own money, when you are
Like you feel.
impactful, when you know
Oh.
that, oh, this is what I'm doing,
You
this
feel
is
like you are productive. No, you're not
exactly,
just
that's the word.
there. Yeah.
So I was feeling that way, and I was such a career woman that, or let's say I was into business.
You do many things.
No dull
Yeah.
moments. When I see that this one is not working
You
or
switch
it's slow,
on to
I'm
another
just
one.
gonna try
Asa.
out another one. And sometimes I'm this kind of person that when I see something
Mm.
and I have
To
interest
achieve it.
in
Yeah.
it, I will just go and learn. I was enrolling in so many courses. If I tell
Mm.
you the courses I've done, I did event planning, I did etiquette and reservation, I did air hostess. I have the certificate, but just that
Mm.
sometimes I do all those things because I want to have the experience, even if I'm not going
Yeah.
to use it now
But
or
maybe
ever.
on a long run,
Yes,
there
but
might be
I
need
I
for it.
just
Yeah.
like that. I like having that experience.
Yeah.
So when after my first baby, like I said, I was still on point.
Yeah.
But after my second baby, I tried to
Do
do
giddy
the,
giddy like
but
normal you, na strong woman.
my body was saying no, 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 no,
Mhm.
no. You have to come back and rest. I
Yeah.
was having pain and so many things,
Yeah.
and sometimes I get so tired. I get so tired. I can't post. I can't. My head,
Sometimes
I
you even
was
think.
blank. I wasn't able to
Do you
think
know?
of
Sometimes I don't
anything.
know. Sometimes you even doubt. Maybe you doubt your ability to do some kind of things you used to do before. Sometimes I used to say, is it just because of the kids or because of marriage? Or I feel like somehow I feel like I'm dulling. Sometimes I even say,
I
will I
swear.
even? I used
Even
to
at
even
some point, I got to the point of I started writing out the things I wanted to do,
for the day.
because it was as if I was having loss of memory.
There are some of the things
Yeah,
that come. Yeah, a
no,
lot of
I
women
might
have
say I
had
will
people
do
say,
something, I will forget. Sometimes I might even say something and forget. My sister will always tell me,
you say
maybe
you want to do this
something is
thing.
here. I'll be
Mm.
like, why did you do this thing? Why did you put this thing here? Why did you do this one? She will tell me, but you are the one that did
Keep
this
it
thing. I will be
though.
angry. She will be like, oh, mo, this your loss of
You don't
memories.
they come out of hand, you don't they come.
But you don't even know when you are doing all those things. Do you
Yeah.
get? So when they tell you are doing it, you'll be like, are you fucking serious?
Mm-hmm.
But that's it. So limited me, even
Career.
till now is still limiting me. When I say limiting me, it's not like the things I'm doing are not useful, are not
Yeah.
good things, but
But it's more
it's not
like
the way I
where
planned it.
you are expected, where
Yes,
you plan to be in
yes,
2025,
five.
for
That's
instance.
not where I
Yeah,
am right now, but
no.
I am
Oh, you're
grateful
grateful.
for where I
You
am.
have your baby. You get,
Yes,
yeah,
I have my
yeah.
baby. I have
It's a
things
very
I'm
good
doing.
achievement.
Early this year, no, early ending last year, I started a course, a
Okay.
language course, French to be precise.
Oh, French. What
So,
happened to all those French where you don't they learn
all those ones,
since
no
nursery?
be
Bonjour.
Jomante and Komotika. Nothing really serious. For the first month, I was getting the whole thing because it's the normal basic thing we learn to school.
Yeah.
Then the second month,
That was online. You learning it online?
yeah, it was online.
Oh.
It was
Is it
online.
even easy? Imagine
Somebody
learning
told me
language
she learned
online.
French
Wow.
online for she did 6 months, and she
Yes.
took there's this French exam they take, and she
Whoa.
came out the result
Whoa.
was very okay.
Yeah.
Then I also, because I was making my research to know the best way. Some
Mm,
people were saying learning online,
it's easier.
no, learning online was difficult. People were saying it's
Me, I think
easy.
so. Did you
So
know language is very difficult to learn?
wait now, let me learn. So second month I started. That was January.
Mm,
I started. That time it was a whole different thing because the way this learning stuff work is that
mm.
after some months
Yeah.
you write an exam, you upgrade to the next
Next,
level.
okay.
So I wasn't getting anything the second month because they were not entering deep.
Mm,
So after some time I dropped. I told them I was not going to continue,
mm.
that I would just have to look for a physical place to learn.
Okay.
So right now I've stopped the French course. I'm looking for a physical place. So if you have any physical French school that you know that is in Lagos, please let me know. Drop your comments. Let me check it out. I want to learn French for something very, very important.
Important. Mm.
So that was how. So and when I was learning that French, some of the things that always gets me distracted is that I might be learning the French because of the so many, because normally they do it, sometimes they do it by 12 in the afternoon. So
Okay.
then we also have the ones they do around 7 p.m. at night.
Yeah.
So sometimes when after the whole activities combining work, business,
And children, and
you end
yeah.
up getting tired. Sometimes when I'm in class I sleep off,
Mm.
and then sometimes you might be in class, one of your,
Distraction.
yeah, one of your children will just come and say, I
Mommy,
want,
this.
see this one, who are
Mm.
you talking to, this one, that one. You know children and
Yeah,
their
yeah,
questions.
yeah, inquisitive.
So the distraction was just too much for
Much.
me.
Yeah.
But on a normal day before marriage, if I had
Determined to
to
do
do the course,
this.
I would have
Yeah.
done it without any
Yeah.
distraction to get.
And this is another thing for single ladies, my dear. If you're still single, do you know that thing you want to do? Keep
Start
pursuing it.
now.
Pursuing it, though, because when you marry, it's not like you're not still going to. Marriage does not limit you.
My
As in,
marriage does not limit
you
me to
get,
trying things
yeah,
I want
but
to
there are
do.
some circumstances.
Yes, the
You get
circumstances surrounding
around.
marriage might
Yeah.
limit you. Not like the person you are married to is limiting you. Because
Yeah,
my
your
husband is
partner
somebody that if I
supportive.
tell him that I want to start
Mm.
which business now will I call? Maybe if let me tell him that I want to start furniture business now, he will say, "Tom,
You
no
say, okay,
problem.
furniture is one.
Not be you again. Try." When it fails, you'll be like, "Share your body,
Don't
don't
calm
calm
down.
down." But
It's not
it
in a
doesn't limit
mocking,
you. It's just
yeah.
that there are other things surrounding it that will definitely limit you. Things that you might not even think will limit you because the fire is there, the ginger is there. So when you want to try out new things, you're always like,
Yeah.
boom, let's go,
Let's
do
go
it.
there. And all you'll be seeing is positive. Millions. See my millions now. If I enter,
sometimes my sister will be like, the wife. I don't think there was a time that every morning I will press calculator. I'm doing an estimate of what I will get for that day. Sometimes you end up getting nothing. Sometimes you get more than
but
that.
we'll keep trying regardless.
No, I'm not giving up. No. I still have a lot of things I want to try. I want to try. I still have in my career. I've not even gone far. I've not even
started
done half of the things I want. I have a lot of things I want to try out, and this year I've said I'm going to do it. Okay, let me tell you. This year, I said I was going to from January to March. I was going to lose 10 to 20 kg. I started morning
workout.
Yeah. So what I do, I normally 5 a.m. I go for morning walk.
Yeah.
I try to cover 10,000 steps. I started. My sister was there. I was doing it. At some point, my sister traveled, so it was just me alone going for the walk.
Yeah.
At some point, I had to pause because when I don't sleep early and it's time to wake up for work, I get so tired. I'm like, after this work now, I will come back
and I start preparing children for school.
After all, weight loss doesn't it's not running anywhere. I still have a lot of time.
Yeah.
You see, this is me limiting myself from achieving my weight loss journey because I feel I have a lot of responsibility in this marriage. I have a lot of I have to take care of my
it's not like you don't have someone to help you, but
I have somebody helping me now, but there are things you want to do
by yourself.
Even if they do it, you still find a way. Maybe they did everything. You now come and say, why didn't you put this thing like this? Do you know
when they placed me on bed rest? I said, okay, yeah, this is initially the doctor said I will observe the bed rest in the hospital, but he insisted. He said, I know you women and you have kids too. They will distract you. That I'm not supposed to be going to the kitchen. I'm not supposed to be cooking. I should just rest and be taking my medication, So I told him, no, I don't like hospitals. So for how long am I going to stay in the hospital? So I said that I'm going to keep it. I'm serious. That I will stay at home and I will observe it. So my husband used to come back and cook. Yeah, he was doing his own part. But me, I'll say, how would this man go to work in the morning and come back late, come back in the evening, and when he come back you start cooking. Sometimes you even be cooking jollof rice. Sometimes I'll be laughing at him because normally he don't. Ever since we got married, he will say, I don't forget how to cook. All those things I used to cook. You know me, I'm a very good chef. But since you don't think now why I enter kitchen, I'll say, oh God, no, you don't enter kitchen. And same time, I'll say, it's a lot of stress for him. Me, I'll just lie down since. You get? So sometimes I'll say, okay, let me just cook for today. I'll just do sharp. I know I'm not supposed to, but then I'll be doing. Sometimes I delegate work to everyone. I say, you do this, you do that, then why I rest? But that same place you are resting, you not rest in peace. Sorry, not rest in peace. Nobody's resting in peace. But you not rest well because your mind keep going. this person that I have to do this, hope he's doing it correctly.
Yeah.
This one, and even then you say, Akam, Monachi pap is in the freeze and it's blocked.
Yeah.
I need to remove it. And funny enough, when you go there to know, you see all those things. They didn't do it very well the way you could have done it. Get
Yeah.
yo, so it's not really that easy. It's not
You
really
end
that
up doing the
easy.
things you're not supposed to do.
You end up doing this and you will not rest. Like
Well, see, there are some things that when you're asked to do it, you don't need to compromise on it.
exactly.
I can remember when I had a yeah, this thing happened recently. We went for immunization.
Yeah.
That's that you know that immunization side now.
Yeah.
So according to what happened, a woman came in. The woman
Mm.
was rushed into the hospital,
Hospital. Yeah.
but they didn't allow them go inside. They just brought her stretcher outside. They
Mm.
placed the woman there. We
Mm.
now noticed that
It's
they were trying
emergency. Yeah.
to,
Revive.
yeah, they were doing a
Yeah.
lot of CPR. They
Mm.
brought out some medical stuff and were
You
doing
know. Yeah.
things. At some point, we noticed that this doctor will come and
Another one
go in.
try.
Another one. It's just like they're
Oh.
trying to revive her. A lot, they'll try
Yeah.
her luck.
Yeah.
So after some time, they now covered her with clothes.
Oh.
So that was when we now noticed that she was dead. But something happened. Okay, according to what they said, the woman was on bed rest in the hospital
Okay.
for some days. I think she had BP problem.
Oh.
So, but after some time, she said she felt she was okay. She said she wanted to go home.
Oh.
So the people there were saying no, and that she can't go. This one, she was saying she had kids at home, that the husband needs help and all that.
Mm.
So she was persistent and insisted on going.
Going home.
So they said, "Thor, if you want to go, go,
Go.
but you have to sign an undertaking. If
Yeah.
anything should happen to you, the hospital is not accountable."
Responsible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she did sign an undertaking.
Oh.
So. I think after 2 days she left. That was the day we now
They
saw
now
her.
brought
They now
her
rushed her.
on
So her BP
emergency.
went up
Oh,
again.
and no
And
one there
as
to
the yeah,
control
I
it.
think
Yeah.
I thought according to what they said, when the husband said nobody was there, the children, because it was around that morning, no immunization time, morning time,
Yeah.
the children
Yeah.
were still in school,
Cool.
and it seems the husband has gone to
To
work.
work.
So before the husband could get back, the thing she was, let's say they brought
It
her
was
to the
bad.
hospital dead. And this
Oh.
person I'm talking about is
Mm.
heavily pregnant.
Oh goodness.
Heavily pregnant. So women, when they tell you to get bed rest, please do.
Observe it.
Please do. Anything that you know that
When
is
they
going
tell you
to,
to get bed rest, girl,
yeah,
observe it.
there's a better talk to yourself.
Regardless of
Because when when you refuse to do anything you know that is going to compromise your health,
health.
your
Now, okay,
happiness.
those children that she's fighting for, my husband, she left all.
Yes.
She lost her life, that of her baby, her
And
children are now motherless. Even the husband.
honestly,
It's quite
just
unfortunate.
don't compromise on your happiness. We know you're trying to be a good woman. We know you're trying to run a successful
Perfect
home
home.
and be that business tycoon. Don't compromise on your health and your
Oh,
happiness. Do you
yeah.
know when I think every woman should fight to fight to push forth their career. One is going to make you useful and impactful.
Do you know there's this fulfillment that comes with you being
Yes, no.
productive? Like you say,
Even
yeah, at
if
the end of the year, you say, yeah, girl, you are doing well for
yes,
yourself.
now
Ah,
even if it's 1 naira or 2 naira you
it's
are making,
something. At least you
you know
even
that
tends to
it's
go
your
out
hard earned work
money.
that earned you this thing.
And you go out, you come back, you meet people, you associate. Yeah, it
And the
gives
more you
this
associate with people, you gain more knowledge and
exactly.
you get a whole new experience, and you
You
if you
feel
find
satisfied
yourself
for the
in a
day. You
circle of
get
people that
no matter
that
what your
conquer,
worries,
you will progress. Do you know,
yes,
because a lot of women have limited their self, eh? Okay, it's not like we're limiting ourselves
yeah,
because we want to limit ourselves. It's just
mm,
that the thing surrounding it
yeah,
is limiting us. And when we don't have that fire burning, when
mm,
we're not pushing ourselves
yeah,
to overcome that thing that is
yeah,
limiting us,
mm,
we end up depressed, we end up
Not
feeling
being
we are or
fulfilled.
feeling like we're in bondage because
Yeah.
imagine somebody that is in a toxic
Marriage.
marriage, a domestic marriage. Yeah, yeah.
The domestic
Domestic violence.
violence is toxic.
I just said it. So imagine somebody in that situation
Yeah.
and she can't leave because she's not financially independent.
Yeah.
Even if you
Like
don't have
she's 100% dependent
dependence
on
on
the
the
partner.
yeah,
Yeah.
even if you don't have a lot of money,
At least
but you have
something that can
something doing, you know
sustain.
that
Yeah.
if I leave this man that is
Put
treating
all
me
your
bad
effort.
now,
Yeah.
and focus on my business, I can make money that I will use and feed myself. I can
At
make money I'll
least you
use and take
get
care of my
shit.
kids and all that.
Yeah.
But when you are not pursuing your career, when you just leave yourself to be there,
Yeah.
you end up being a body, you end up if something comes up tomorrow.
You won't be
So a lot of people end up dying in that kind of marriage
married.
because they were scared
They
to
will be
leave.
like, what if I leave now?
How
Hunger
will I
go buy for this beautiful economy. You
so
get?
let's just try and
And
do
another
better.
thing, as a parent, the biggest nightmare of a parent, I don't know if everybody, but I think it's seeing your children not turning out well because you are busy, okay, your career, you are doing very well in your business, you are successful, you're this one, then later you realize that your children didn't turn out well and you didn't even try your best because you are absent. You get? No matter
So
how
the thing is
people you
that
left your children with, there is no attention, as in your
they
children
will not get as much
at
attention as the one you are going to give
from
them.
you get, yeah,
So the thing, the word is to balance. We need to balance our marital life
with our
with our
career,
career. Two
yeah.
need to work hand in hand.
For
You need
instance,
to marry a kind person.
person,
Sorry, you need to marry
yeah,
a kind person. Sometimes you might tell your husband you want to do something like this, and he will say, no, 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 no. Don't worry. Tomorrow we'll go again. Tomorrow
try
we'll try
again.
again. When he sees that, this
Persistent,
person is persistent, so
yeah.
let me leave her to try this thing.
Mm.
Me, I always tell my husband when I want to try something that he doesn't support, I will always be like, baby, my year 50-50. I will tell him on time. I will tell him the positive side.
Yeah,
He always tell me, hope you are seeing what of the negative
negative,
part.
yeah,
I will say I've checked it, but
yeah.
if I don't try, how will I know it's not
No,
going
the
to work?
outcome,
You get? So
yeah.
just find a way to convince
Miss
the
him,
person. You
yeah.
get? Then with time you say, okay, oh yeah, now let's
Do
try.
you know, there's this lady, just a short story. There's
Mm,
this lady I admire a lot. You know, all these people you see doing extremely so well,
yeah,
like the kind you see yourself in her, you see your maybe your
like you are
future,
admiring
you admire,
her.
I admire her a lot. And in her workplace, the way she carried herself, and she's doing, in fact she's doing so well,
Yeah,
yeah. So all of a sudden I heard from my aunt that she quit. I
she
was like,
stopped working. Yeah.
I said, what on earth? Doesn't mean like maybe she retired. She said no, that she quit. I said, why on earth will my mentor quit?
Ah, God,
Her husband asked her to choose between the kids, like the marriage, the kids, and
no.
her
Her
work.
work. Okay.
Because, and the husband, he's very well, like they are wealthy. You know, the husband said that as far as he's concerned,
Yeah.
anything like taking care of that, he's going to give them number one care, like the children,
Love is
she's going to
yeah.
take care of them very well. Then what's this thing that he's fighting? See the children, I think maybe the children started exhibiting this kind of strange behaviors, character, all these silly things. What they have nannies that take care of them, but no one will discipline your children the way you do. Like nannies, they might discipline them to an extent. They'll say, they will not come and say na Anna Trebukwara
I'm
home as yo,
yeah.
this one, that one. But you, when your children do the one, like you will flog them, you flog the
Before
living,
flogging, we go to
you talk like, yeah, you talk
aka.
to them, you did, but when you are not there, how will you? It's not like you will not do anything else, but even while pursuing our career, let's try to balance things up. You get? She quit but it's not like she quit it and be staying and be full housewife. She opened somewhere like close,
Settle a
then
business.
close by, then put sales girl, but she used to come back home.
Before being a mom,
You are a person. Don't
yeah, you
neglect
had
yourself.
plans.
You have plans, you have this, and don't let the fire die. Hello, mommies. Don't let the fire keep burning,
Yes,
because that's the
so
only thing that will be pushing you to go ahead. Because when you just rely on, okay, I am married, this is my children, at least marriage is an achievement. Is marriage not achievement again?
well, it's an achievement, but you don't have to lose yourself because of
Why
marriage.
at it? Yeah, let the fire keep burning.
And some people
That
have
course
this.
you want to
Some some people
go
have
for
this
it.
habit of saying, when you are a career-driven person, you're always looking for ways to make money and all that. Some people will be like, why is this one always doing this
I
one?
been the
Or
husband
if
know
no
they
the bill,
provide.
is the husband not doing bringing money? Why is she taking all this
Always
one?
doing that.
Sometimes all those things we do, not like we are making a lot of money from it, but there's this joy
That
we get.
comes,
There's
yeah,
this fulfillment
satisfaction.
yet. Me like this, I cannot be idle, I cannot stay idle. Once this business fails, I'm
Another one
somebody
at
that doesn't
SAP.
even care what people are saying.
Same.
Once this one closes or this one doesn't give me the vibe that I want, I'm moving over to
It
the
was
next
like
one.
when I went to my when I started learning how to bake. You know me, I'm this kind of person. I love baking,
Yeah.
cooking, trying out new dishes. That I don't know they do food, but
Mhm.
even the food, they will say all this thing where they every time you they post food something that one. Well, shey na you they eat them, I mean they cook and finish share and you know they chop am.
In summary, let's just say, don't lose yourself.
Don't
Don't procrastinate. Get a
don't
journal. Write out the
procrastinate.
things you want to do. Plan. In the beginning, it might not be easy. You might write out
And
that,
still end up not even
just,
doing any.
just like me, that will write out 5 things I'll end up doing too. But now I'm getting better. I'm improving. I said I was going to lose weight now.
Mm.
I don't know if I've mentioned it before. I
Yeah,
said I
you
was going.
said it. You said it. You said.
But see me, I bought.
But we, at,
Me,
least, at least you
I've
so
not.
you're getting there.
I had plans, and I have 5 plans I'll end up doing too. But now I'm doing better. Now I'm improving. So keep the fire burning.
Don't relent.
Don't relent. Don't give up. Marry
Yeah.
a kind person that will support you.
Yo.
That will support you. When you are dating, start from that time and start letting the person know you are a career person. Even if you don't have a job, tell them that, see, oh, this is your plans.
Yeah.
You want to do this thing, you want to do that, so that in the nearest
Long
future,
run.
when the
Yeah.
kids are there and everything, and you want to continue your life,
Yeah.
it will not limit you.
Exactly.
And when the marriage stress kicks in, try to overcome it. Try to,
Build a happy home. Don't
yes,
try to balance both your career, your children, your marriage, have a beautiful home. In the verge of trying to have a perfect career, don't neglect your kids.
yes,
Okay, so you will not come tomorrow and start regretting that you could have done better. And there are single ladies too. Try also that thing you know you want to do. Start doing it at SAP. Don't wait for, oh, when I'm married this year. Okay. And also, my dear mommies, always know that behind you being a mom, there's this lady, woman that you are too, and there is this dream you always want to achieve. Don't let the fire die. Keep it burning, because
keep
that's
it
the only
burning.
thing that will keep you moving. Okay? Keep it burning.
Yes, so because let's just say, I don't know, let the fire burn.
Yeah.
Let it burn.
Yeah.
So now I'm keeping the fire of weight loss burning. I'm going to lose weight. You
We'll
guys
come
are
back.
going
We'll
to
come
see
back
my progress. And you
in
guys
a
will be
more
seeing me
time.
often. So
Yeah.
just watch my transformation.
Hmm.
It's going to shock everybody.
Shocker.
So guys, thank you for watching, and do well to subscribe and turn on your notification button.
Yeah.
We love you guys so
I
much.
love you.
Cardino, oh.
Oh no.